So, syempre, bago ko nalaman na may cancer ako, I have to undergo a lot of laboratory test. So, ladies, pag may nararamdaman kayong pain sa hips, sa puson, sa legs, sa back ng hips, at sa abdomen nyo, akala nyo minsan menstrual cramps lang, pa-check up agad. Kasi I tried to bear the pain ng puson ko. Talagang sobrang sakit. Ang nakatulong sa akin, naglagay lang ako ng luya. And I did go to manghihilot, but it didn't help. Talagang matindi yung sakit ng unbearable pain, yung puson, pelvis, hips, legs, and my abdomen is humihilab. Yun. Tapos, kalahating araw ako nakahiga. Noong una, 30 minutes lang, naging 1 hour, dumating na sa puntong kalahating araw na ako nakahiga. So sabi ko, hanggang kailan to? I tried to hide it from my sons, pero nagpunta yung daughter-in-law ko at nahalata na ako. At nahalata na yung aking panganay. When we ate lunch, that was my birthday, I often go to the comfort room and he noticed a blood on my skirt. I was wearing a white skirt then. So sabi nung